Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this problem. So I have a problem, and okay, let's read together the problem. So what mass of CO2? So CO2 is carbon dioxide, and water is H2O, can be produced by reacting octane. Yeah, so octane is C8H8. Yeah, so this is octane. Berarti octane with, yeah. Okay, so this is with. By reacting octane with 2 kg of O2. Yeah, so O2 is oxygen. Yeah. Okay, so in this problem, we are asked to find the mass of carbon dioxide and also water after we react the octane and the O2. Okay, firstly we have to make the equations first. So the C8H8, so this is the octane plus O2. So everything is reacted with O2 is called a combustion process. Yeah, so this is the example of combustion process. Octane plus O2, it will become CO2 and water. Okay, so CO2 plus water. Okay, and we have to balance it first. So we have 8C here, so it must be 8 here, and we have okay, I will make it more smaller. This is 8, this is, yeah, this is O2 and this O2. Okay, we have 8C here and also 8C here. Okay, and then we have 8H here, so we have to also have 8H here, so it must be 4. Yeah? So we have 8C and also 8H, and also we have 8C and also we have 8H. Yeah? Okay, so this equation is balanced now. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. We have to balance the oxygen first, yeah, because we have 16, yeah, 8 times 2, yeah, of O2, so we have 16O, and also we have 4O, yeah, okay, yeah, okay, so it must be 20, okay, so let's say what moment. Oh, I'm sorry. Octane is not C8H8, but it must be H18. Yeah, or not only 8 but 18. Yeah, so it must be 18 here. Okay. So I make a lot of problem here. I'm sorry. So I will make it. I will rebalance it. Yeah, okay, so we have 8 here, and then we have 9 here. Okay, yeah, so we have 9, and then we have 8 times by 2, so we have 16O, and also we have 9O. Okay, so we have 25O here, so it must be 25 divided by 2, yeah, because we have 2 here. Okay, 25, yeah, okay, and because this equation is not permitted, so we can times all the equation by 2, yeah, so we have 2CH88 plus 25O2 will be equal, will produce 16 carbon dioxide plus 18 water. Yeah. Okay, now our equation is balanced, and we can start to calculate the mole of uh, the reactant, yeah, the mole of octane, and also the mole of O2, yeah. Okay. Okay. Actually, this example is not clear enough because we do not know the mass of octane. So I will make it, let's say 8 kilogram. Yeah, let's say 8 kilogram of octane. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now mole of we calculate mole of octane. So the formula is N will be equal mass of octane plus relative mass of octane. Yeah. So the mass of octane is 8 kilogram, but we have to convert it to gram. Yeah. So we have 8,000 gram. Yeah. Yeah. And then mass relative of octane. Yeah. So okay. So this is mR of octane. Yeah. We have 8C and also 18 H, yeah. And the atomic mass relative of carbon is 12, so it must be 8 times by 12, so it will be 19, and this is 18. The value R of 8 is 1, so it must be 18, yeah, plus 14, and then this is 11, yeah, so 114. Okay, so we put this value into this. Yeah, so the mole of octane is 70.17 mole. Okay, so this is mole of octane. Okay, now we calculate the mole of oxygen. So it must be mole of oxygen, mass of oxygen, relative mass of O2. Okay, so the mass of oxygen is 2 kilogram. Yeah, so we have to convert it to gram. So we got 2,000 gram, and the relative mass of O2 is 32. Yeah, 32 gram per mole. Yeah, so we have mole of O2 is 62.5 mole. Okay, now we have to find the which one is the limiting reactant. Yeah, it can be octane or it can be the oxygen. And if we want to decide which one is the limiting reactant, yeah, so we have to look at first to this number. Yeah. Okay. Okay, for the first case, okay, so I will make a red pen. So for the first case, okay, if we assume that the octane is the limiting reactant, ya. Okay. Then so we have to rewrite again 2502. This is 25 16, ya, 16 CO2 and 18 water, ya, 18 water. Okay, so we put because we assume that the octane is the limiting reactant, so we have to put the mole value of octane into this, yeah. So this is so we got this is the mole value, the number of mole of the octane, yeah. So I will put 70.17. Okay, so if we so the octane, yeah, the octane have 70.17 mole. So by using the comparison of coefficient in this chemical equation, so we will get wait a minute. So 25 plus 2, yeah, times by 70.17, yeah. Okay, because if we have 2 mole, then if we have 2 mole, then the value of mole is 70.17, yeah. And if this 25, so we have to multiply this number with 25 per 2, yeah, 25 divided by 2. Okay, so I hope you are not confused with this, because it is very simple, yeah. If this 2, okay, I will make it so 2 compare with 25, yeah. So it must be 70x, yeah. So this point multiplied by this point, and then this point multiplied by this point, yeah. So it must be 25, yeah, times by 70.70 equals to 2x, yeah. So the value of x is 25 divided by 2 times by 70.70. So we got this number, yeah. So this is the same number. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is must be 70.17, and the value of this is 877.125, yeah. And this is the value of the mole value of oxygen that we need to get to be able to react with 70.17 mole of octane. Okay, and if we take a look to this, we need this number, but we only have this number, yeah. So so we run out, yeah. We are running out the mole value of the oxygen. So in this first case, the octane is not the limiting reactant, yeah, because the limiting reactant is the O2, yeah, because we need this number, but we only have this number. So this is the limiting reactant. So from the first case, it must the conclusion for the first case is wrong. Yeah. So the limiting reactant must be, yeah. So the limiting reactant, yeah, is O2. Yeah. Okay. So we rewrite the equation again. So it's H18 plus 25 O2, yeah. 16 CO2 plus 18 H2O. Okay. Okay, so because the limiting reactant is O2, okay, so let's take a look how much mole of oxygen that we have. We have 62.5. Okay, we have 62 or 6.2 or 62.5. Yeah. Okay, so 62.5 mole. Yeah. Okay, so how many mole in this reactant? So it must be 2 divided by 25 times 62.5. Okay. Okay, so this is 62.5, and then for this value is 5. Yeah, this is the mole of octane. Okay, so we only need 5, but we have 70.17. Yeah, so it is not problem because we have excess value of excess mole of octane. Yeah, so the limiting reactant is O2. Yeah, so if this is 5, this is 62.5. So the mole, yeah, so with using the same value, so the mole of carbon dioxide is we have 16 here, 16. Okay, I will write here down here, 16 divided by 25. Yeah, 16 times 62. Yeah, and then for this number we have 18. Yeah, divided by 25 times by 62.5. Yeah. Okay, so the mole of CO2 is here, 25, 62.5. Yeah, so the result is 14 mole, and then the value, the mole value of water is 18, 25, 62.5, 45 mole. Okay, and yeah, we finish with this problem. Okay, let's take a look. What mass of CO2? Oh, we have to find the value of mass. Yeah. Okay, not only the mole. Okay, so we have to convert this mole into this mole. Yeah, this mole into mass. Yeah. Okay, so I will. Okay, so the formula of mole is here. So this is mole. Yeah, mass divided by mr. Yeah. mr. Yeah, so the mass, yeah, must be mole times by the mass, relative mass of the compound or the atom or etc. Yeah. Okay, so it must be mole of CO2. Yeah, so mole of CO2 is 14, and then the relative mass of CO2 is, okay, mr CO2, so C is 16. Oh, I'm sorry, it must be 12 plus 2 of 16. Okay, we will calculate it later. And then for the second one, mass of water. Okay, the mole of water is 45, and then this is the relative mass of H2O. And also we have 1 plus the atomic mass, the relative atomic mass of O2 is 16. Yeah. Okay, so we have 14 times by 12 plus 32, and for here we have 45, 2 plus 16. Okay, so it must be 14, 44, and then 45 is 18. Yeah, so I will use my calculator first. We have 14 times by 44, we have 1070, 1760 gram of CO2. So this is for the first result, result. And then for the second one, we have 45. Yeah, 45 times by 18. Yeah, so we got 810 gram of water, water or H2O. Yeah, so we finish our calculation here. So this is the method to find the result, yeah, of finding mass of carbon dioxide and the mass of water from this problem. Okay, I hope you can understand, and see you later.